Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, everyone. Today we're going to be focusing on subtracting time. So yesterday we did adding duration of time. So now it's the same thing, almost the same steps, but now we're going to be focusing on subtracting. So let's start. So our LO for today is we are going to subtract duration of time, and I will ask the first one is first we're gonna minus the min. Here I use a shortcut. Min stands for minute. So we're gonna minus the minute first, and then if cannot minus, or I just shorten the sentence, it should be if it cannot be minus, then we're gonna take 1 hour from the hour column. Now HR here means hour. That's short form for hour. The third one is we're gonna plus 60 at minute column. It's because why do we plus 60? Because we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Then the fourth step would be we're gonna minus the minute column, and the last step is to minus the hour column. So let's start with example 1. So example 1, 6 hours 57 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. So I'm going to write down the S2S right over here for you to refer to. The first one is we are going to minus the minute. So let's rewrite this in column format. So we have our hour here and we have our minute here. Then we're going to rewrite the question. So the first one is 6 hours 57 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. So we're going to minus the minute first, as the first step says. We're going to be focusing on this one. So 7 minus 5 gives us 2, and 5 minus 3 gives us 2. So the answer is 22. Now, bear in mind that step 2 said if cannot minus, if it cannot be minus, then we take 1 hour from the hour. But this one, this is okay because 57 can minus 35. So our step 3, our step 4, we're going to scratch that off right now. Okay, because we can minus and the answer is 22. Then we're gonna go to the last step, which is we're gonna minus the hour. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4, and the answer is 4 hours 22 minutes. Next, in example 2, 9 hours 25 minutes minus 5 hours 45 minutes. S2S right over here. The first one is we're going to minus the minute. So rewrite it in column format. We have our hour here. We have our minute here. 9 hours 25 minutes minus 5 hours 45 minutes. So we're going to be focusing on minute right here. So 5 minus 5 gives us 0, and 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Can we minus 2 minus 4? No, we cannot. We simply cannot. So 25 cannot minus 45 because small numbers minus big numbers. So for now at your level, we cannot do that right now. So what do we do? So it's the step 2 here. Step 2 says if cannot minus, take 1 hour from hour. So we're going to take 1 hour from the hour column right here. So from 9, we're going to take 1. So 9 becomes 8. Okay, because we're taking 1 hour here. Then the 1 hour that we take from hour, we're going to bring it to the minute side. Now we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So when we bring the 1 hour to the minute, it becomes plus 60. That's why there is plus 60 at the minute column right here. Okay, because we took 1 hour from the hour column and we're bringing it to the minute column. So it becomes 60. So we're going to do a side calculation over here. So to avoid confusion, so 60 plus, okay? Because we're going to plus first and then we're going to minus later on. So 60 plus 25 gives us 85. And then this 85, we are going to minus it with 45. Okay, so plus, first we're going to plus these two numbers. 60 plus 25 gives us 85, and then 85 minus 45. This is our side calculation, and the answer is 40. Now 40 is fine because 40 is less than 60, so we're going to bring that up right here. We're going to write 40 here at the min section. Then the last step would be we're going to minus the hour. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3. So the answer is 3 hours 40 minutes. Next example, 7 hours 48 minutes minus 4 hours 37 minutes. Our S to S right here, the first one is we're going to minus the minute. So the hour and minute in column form. 7 hours 48 minutes minus 4 hours 37 minutes. So we're going to minus this bit right here first. So 48 minus 37. This is okay because 48 can minus 37 and the answer is 11. So number 2, if you cannot minus, take 1 hour. So this part right here, we're not going to do it because this is fine. We can, 48 can minus 37. So the step number 3, step number 2, number 3, and number 4, we're going to scratch them off. And then we're jumping off to the last S to S, which is we're going to minus the hour section. So 7 minus 4 gives us 3. And the answer is 3 hours 11 minutes. As usual, next it's time for you to try this yourself. Take a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, and follow the S to S slowly, step by step, and try it yourself. So the first one is 11 hours 12 minutes minus 1 hour 54 minutes. So first thing first, you are going to rewrite that in column form. You have your hour and your minute, and then you just place them correctly. And then you're going to be focusing on the minute section first. So if you cannot minus 12 minus 54, which obviously you cannot, so you just borrow or take 1 hour from the hour column, and then 11 becomes 10, and then you plus 60 at 12, and then you just do your side calculation. 60 plus 12, and then you minus it with 54. Next, you can try this one. 3 hours 55 minutes minus 2 hours 30 minutes. Again, do it slowly, one by one, and just follow the step. If you can minus 55 minus 30, then you do not need to do step number 2, number 3, and number 4. So you can just jump straight to step number 5. So let's recap our LO for today as we are subtracting duration of time. Our S to S, the first one is we're going to minus the minute first. If cannot minus, we're going to take 1 hour from the hour column. And then we're going to plus 60 at at the minute column because we take 1 hour from the hour section. And step number 4 is we're going to minus the minute. And then step number 5 is minus the hour. So for today's exercise, for those of you who have not done yesterday's lesson, this is a new form of exercises for you. We are not doing Google Form anymore. This is pretty straightforward as well. So first thing first is you are going to, you can click on this link, or you can copy this link, or you can just click on the link I gave you on WhatsApp group. So what you will get after you click the link is you will get this page, okay? But obviously today our lesson is on subtracting time, so obviously it's different. It's going to be subtracting time worksheet, okay? But I'm just telling you that this is how it looks like. It's live worksheet. So this is how it looks like. There will be 8 questions. And then step 2 is take a piece of paper for you to do your working and do it step by step. Follow the S to S. You're going to need to take a picture of your working and send it to me like how we normally do on WhatsApp privately. Then step 3, you are going to fill in all the questions as your answers. Please do not skip a question, because if you skip a question, or if you do not answer all of the questions, you might lose some marks. So you just need to type in your answer on the worksheet itself. Okay, it's editable, so you can erase, you can type in your answer. It's pretty straightforward. And if you have once you're finished, you just click the finish tab at the bottom of the worksheet. It looks like this. And then once you click on the finish tab, what you will see is there will be 2 options. The first one is show correct answers or show answers, and the other one is email answers to my teacher. Now click on that one. Click on the email my answer to my teacher, and then this will come out. You need to fill in your details. So just enter your full name. Your group or level is either you are 4A or 4B, and then school subject, just type in mathematics. You do not need to type in our school name. And then you need to enter my email. There is no key code, just email. So my email is teachersiddiqarosli@gmail.com. That's TCR and my name. My name is double D and not double Q. There is no full stop, there is no underscore, and there is no dash. Just straight teachersiddiqarosli@gmail.com. Make sure you email it to the correct email. All right, so that's our lesson for today. Thank you, everyone, and good luck.